Alright guys, I found my linesman's pliers and my diagonal pliers, my diagonal wire cutters, and let's just start taking a look at them. While I wipe these down a little bit, I already sprayed these with some mineral oil, and so I'll just wipe them down. Here we got this is a Klein Tools linesman pliers, 201-8NE. Nice pair there. Another pair here. The red handles, these are Fuller 194 drop forged. Very nice pair there. Let's see, let's look at some diagonal pliers here. Wire cutters. These ones are pretty beat up. You got a nice design on the handle though. And I don't think there's a maker's mark on those ones that I can see. Wait a second. Yeah, just on the inside of the handle there. It says forged West Germany. Yeah. We got these. Another pair of linesman's pliers here. These are channel locks. They're all pitted up. And we got these combination pliers. Okay, these are, let's see here, 240-6 PS&W Co. Made in USA. Another pair of combination pliers. I like these. These are cool. I just like the faded yellow paint on there and the design. These are Crestaloy, made in USA. And on the back it says what, 1950 or 1959, hard to say. And there's a 6 on the bottom. Crescent Tool Co. And these are, I like using these ones right here. These are my personal cutters here. And these are Utica 40-7. We got these are Krauters. Little diagonal pliers here. 8600-5. And these ones are pretty pitted here. They got the, I would call that the vacuum grip style there, that you would see on old Snap-on tools. And it's hard to say. Yeah, it says vacuum grip. I don't know if this was an early snap-on. It doesn't say snap-on there, but even the font looks like snap-on. But yeah. Got these kind of generic ones here, these generic wire cutters. I end up using these a lot. They're just comfortable. And I'm not worried about messing them up or anything. Then we got these diagonals. And let's see here. Let's see, Utica, drop forged, and does that say 41-6 there, I think? And I got these fencing pliers in here mixed in, so. I don't know if there's a name on these ones. Then got another pair of Linesman's pliers here. I kind of painted them gold in the middle. I was just fooling around one of my earlier trying to refurb these and didn't do a very good job. But they are better than they were. Let's see what it says on there. Just some guy's name, Harris, H.E. Harris. Got these, well, they're crimpers mainly. They can cut wire, but they're for crimping. They're pretty cool looking. Let's see what it says there. For FOR T and B STA-KON lug. And it's got some ABC. I don't know what that's for really. Oh, maybe it's just for wire gauges, I guess. Yeah. Pretty cool. Alright, got a couple more. Just run-of-the-mill pair here. Vice grip. They are comfortable in the hand. These are Irwin's. And then I got my last one here. It's just a no-name pair of diagonal pliers. So I have a speaker wire here, and why don't we just go ahead and give them a quick test, see which ones are actually working. That one's working. Here's the tip here. It's fine. These, I don't know if this is gonna work on. I don't know if this is gonna work on a speaker wire, but we'll try. Not really. We'll just pass on that one. I mean, I don't even know. We'll try it. Let's give it a shot here. Kind of worked. pretty good so far. These ones are struggling here. These ones are struggling. Yeah, I'm using all my might and I cannot cut these. So let's take a look here. Yeah, there's so much pitting and there's like a little hole in there. So those need some work. And these ones don't really work that well. Alright, let's try these ones. Nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.